Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver CMAT 2021 preparation video. So in this video we'll talk about dates, eligibility criteria, syllabus, paper pattern and what will be the cutoff for the colleges. So after your CAT and CT, then comes CMAT guys, which appeared by the maximum number of applicant. So approximate 50,000 applicant every year appear for this exam. So approximate 2 lakhs plus applicant appear for the CAT, CT 1 lakh plus, CMAT 50,000 plus applicant. But the advantage of CMAT is what? In India, maximum colleges accept the score of CMAT, whereas CT score accepted by the colleges which are Maharashtra based. And obviously all the top B school accept the score of CAT. So through CAT and CMAT, number of colleges are more compared to CT. So that is why one should definitely target for the CMAT exam. So let's move ahead and see all the details guys. Before that we have launched CMAT 2021 online preparation batch. So those who want to join this online preparation batch, kindly contact on this number or else you can visit manuedu.com/MBA interns. Okay. So all the classes we are taking online guys, because due to COVID classroom program is not possible. So that is why one should sit at home and prepare online for CMAT 2021. Next is important dates guys for the CMAT 2021. Registration will start by November month, entirely November month registration will keep on going, and admit card you will get by December end, and your exam will be in the month of January, last week of January, and result you will be getting by February first week. So this is what the tentative important dates. Kindly make the note of this and stick on the wall where you study guys. This will give the reminder about the exam dates and your preparation also. Next is eligibility criteria. Two criteria you have to fulfill. One is qualification, second is the age. One must be the Indian citizen to appear for the CMAT. Candidate must have completed their graduation, minimum 50% marks. If you fall in the category, then 45% marks. If you are in your final year of your graduation, then also you can apply for CMAT exam. Age wise, there is no any age bar guys. Next is paper pattern. Total number of questions hundreds. Time bandwidth 3 hours, which is nothing but 180 minutes. Exam will be your online mode, computer based. And in CMAT there will be 4 sections. Language section, English, quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, general awareness. Each section you will be getting 20-25 question guys, and if you mark right answer you will get 4 marks. If it is wrong then -1, and maximum for the section will be 100 marks. Okay, so please pause the video and go through all this detail guys. So total 100 questions you will be getting for 400 marks. This is what the paper pattern for CMAT 2021. Next comes syllabus, quantitative aptitude along with DI. So this is what the detailed syllabus about this section guys. Arithmetic, these are the topic you have to complete. Algebra, these are the topic. Number system, these are the topic. Modern maths, and finally geometry and mensuration you have to complete. Maximum people have problem with this section guys because they are not good in the maths. So that is why they are not inclined toward this section much, and because of that they score less marks in this section. But this is the again guys scoring section, because to solve the maths you need time guys, and in CMAT there are 180 minutes time and 100 question only there. So in CMAT you have much time guys for the section. It is unlike the CT. In CT you don't have a time, but in CMAT you have much time. So you can utilize this time very well and enhance your score guys. Second is the language section, English, RC, critical reasoning, idioms and phrases, paragraph completion, paragraph jumble, grammar, fill up, sentence improvement and correction, vocab based question. So this is what the detailed syllabus for the language. So majorly you have to focus on grammar part, reading part and vocab part guys. This is what the majorly this section is divided. So if you are watching this video today, start reading the newspaper guys, which is very important. The Hindu is the good newspaper to start. Page 1 just to update with the current news, and editorial page of this paper guys. Next is the logical reasoning, highly scoring area, provided if you know all the shortcut and you have practiced all the question type. So traditional reasoning, verbal and critical reasoning, and your analytical logic. So this is what the detailed syllabus for your traditional reasoning guys. If you want to score good marks in this section, then you should know the shortcut. So in your live session all the shortcut will be discussed. For verbal and critical reasoning you need to have a good understanding guys, and for analytical reasoning you need to have a good practice varieties of puzzles, whether it is linear, circular, distribution or selection type of the question. So this is the scoring area, provided you should be familiar with the question type. And last, which is the most toughest section of the CMAT, general awareness guys, because it is unpredictable section. Majorly question asked from the static GK and some of the question asked from the current affairs also. But CMAT is more inclined toward the static rather than the current affairs guys. So you have to prepare for the static like history, geography, science based questions and all, and in current affairs all the social issues and the international national issues. So this will be the majorly focus area in your live session guys. Alright guys, so you have to run once to achieve your goal, which is nothing but the top MBA colleges for your MBA program. So depending on your CMAT 2021 score, you will get the colleges guys. Top 10 colleges, top 30 colleges or top 50 colleges. So your score will define in which college you will end up with. And finally, depending on your college, your career and your placement will be defined, guys. So ideally one should target 300 marks out of 400 in your CMAT exam. So for this score, you have to hit 75 plus question right out of 100, guys. This should be your ideal target in terms of the number of question, and in terms of the marks, it should be 300 plus. Fine, guys. So if you want to join us for the online program, or if you want to join for the books, mock test, sectional course, full course, or the live lecture preparation batch, so you can join this batch. Kindly call on 8828581455. Also, link for the online program I have given you the description, guys. So please check the description, or else you can visit manuedu.com/MBA entrance. All the very best for the preparation. Thank you.